Hi lovely, welcome. In today's video we will unbox our new TV and get it installed. We are going to Restoration Hardware and CB2 for furnitures and decor shopping. We will paint our entire living room area and get our flooring installed. Now let's get to it. We got our previous TV 4 years ago and loved everything about it. The screen cracked as we were playing catch with our toddlers and decided to get a newer version of the same brand and model, which is 65-inch LG Nano Cell. We got from Best Buy, and I'll make sure to link it below for you. Moving on to painting our living room. As you see here, we finished up masking and we will start painting now.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me.
Dan was painting and our flooring order is already in our home. The guys are here to rip off the floor and install the new one. Tune in until the end.
Tonight, never to be said. Though I know I can't deny your eyes. I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul.
We got this Apostle Island oak vinyl flooring from Home Depot. Although our original flooring was beautiful, we didn't like that we had carpet in the living room, which made it harder to keep up with cleaning, especially with kids. So changing our flooring to vinyl will make the cleaning easier and make our living room look bigger than it is right now. If you are new here and interested in watching more weekly home update videos, click the red subscribe button below and with the notification bell on, and follow me on Instagram for daily updates.
Reach out to me.
They did a great job. I like how it turned out. We are done here. We're going to be heading to Restoration Hardware and CB2 to shop for new furniture and home decor.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I
We are already at our edge, and you guys, I am so excited that we're getting our dream sofa, or maybe I should say my dream sofa, which is cloud sofa. And we're getting these two task lights in a color bronze to put them on both sides of the cloud sofa, and I think it will look great.
Kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Another thing I have on my wish list is this cloud bed. It is modern and beautiful. Because the bed frame is wider than a regular king size bed, they are checking to see if it's going to fit in our bedroom, and it does. It is on back order though. We are looking at between April and June 2022 to get this bed, but I am so willing to wait.
Out loud, don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
I am so lucky that the white cloud sofa I'm looking for is in stock. However, if I wanted to go with the natural color, I would have been waiting to get it until April, March, or something like that. And as you can see here, the task light that I showed you earlier goes very well with this sofa. This sofa is so comfortable, you guys. So comfortable. I cannot wait to see it in our home.
You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind.
We are getting this RH Adrian counter stool in the color mahogany with the cushion. The fabric we chose for both our sofa and counter stool cover is perennial performance linen and textured weave, which is kids and pets friendly. If you accidentally pour coffee, water, wine, you can easily wipe it clean and mix bleach and water for spot cleaning. Already in CB2, I'm still in the market for a rug and a coffee table. The ones I liked at CB2 are in back order until May and June, and yes, it's crazy. So already ordered this Gwen's Ivory Bookcase swivel chair, 2 of them. It's a very popular chair right now, and it's been on back order for a long time. I placed my order 5 months ago, and I should be getting it this week along with this beautiful Dorset linen credenza, and I'm also getting this beautiful glass tray today, so I think it goes very well with the credenza, and I like that it's heavy duty. This Camden sofa is so simple and modern from CB2, but if you're looking for a family sofa to watch movies and cuddle with your kids, this might not be the one. So right here we are using this Camden sofa to see what pillow will work best with our RH Cloud. I will show you which ones I decided to take home in a little bit. What do you think of this 100% wool throw blanket? It's gray in color. Let me know in the comments below if I should get it.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go.
I'm expecting to get this Abel mirror along with the chair and the credenza this week.
Of this feeling you're giving me, don't wanna wake up.
Finally, what I took home from CB2, this light brown pillow, boucle mocha pillow cover, so beautiful. Glass tray that I think would go perfect with our new credenza, and a beautiful black jet bowl that I can either use to decorate our coffee table or dining table. That was it for today. I will link everything you see here in my description below for you. Until I see you on our part 4 home update video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.
I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without